Am I wrong for yelling at my brother at his daughter's funeral? So my brother, 37 male, married his high school sweetheart, but she sadly passed away during birth 10 years ago, which completely broke my brother, and he never recovered from that. Because of that, he fell into drug, alcohol, and gambling addiction and was unable to take care of his daughter. Let's call her Abby. Since he was unable to take responsibility as a father, my husband, 35 male, and I, 34 female, decided to take care of Abby shortly after she was born. We always wanted my brother to be involved, but he was usually too high to know what was going on. My parents tried to get him into rehab, but he would relapse every time. So we were the ones who saw Abby's first steps, her first swimming lessons, who walked her to school, and who bought her first bike. When Abby was 7, she was diagnosed with stage 3 leukemia. Nothing was too far away or too expensive to try, and we saw every specialist that we could find, and it got better for a while. At 8, she was cancer-free, but about a year later, it returned even worse. Again, we tried everything, but she just got worse. My brother visited her at the hospital once. It had taken my parents and my husband and I to get him there. He saw her and immediately left. 3 weeks later, Abby died. Both my husband and I were there and helped. Am I wrong for telling my new coworker it was misleading of him to be wearing a wedding band when he's a widower? Oh, yeah, I'm already saying you're the asshole and I haven't read this yet. Hi, a couple of weeks ago we had a new employee hired at the company. He's a good guy and a widower, named James, 36, and to my knowledge his late wife passed away 8 months ago. I like how she just calls him widower, like that's, leave him alone. Me, 32 female, and the other coworkers got along well with him. However, I noticed that he is still wearing his wedding band on his finger. It kind of confused me a bit and I couldn't help but bring it up to him while on lunch break. We talked and I pointed out that he was being very misleading by still wearing his wedding band when he's a widower. Why does she keep saying that and why is it any of your business? He looked quite bothered by what I said, but I tried to explain that I think that he was giving people the wrong idea or impression about his relationship status since he's technically single and on his own right now. Don't want to sound cruel, but I'm speaking from technical angle. James said that he didn't give it much thought, meaning he doesn't care what people think, and that even if he wasn't wearing his wedding band and some woman approached him, he'd still turn them down since he's obviously not interested.